Yeah, Sneakers app did it to me again, guys. That Nike SB Dunk Reserve that dropped last week with the eBay dunks and the Yodo joints, it had me copping SB dunks that I thought I didn't need. But I ain't gonna lie, man. These got some fire to them. Real dope, man. I ain't gonna lie. Sheesh. Hit the B-roll. Jones on the soundtrack. Not that far off. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And today I'm gonna do a full in-depth review on the Nike SB Dunk Emerald Sunrise or Sunrise Emerald. It definitely has all those elements. Real talk, man. Like I told y'all earlier in the video, that Nike sneakers did that SB Dunk Reserve last week, and both run the jewels and a couple of joints, and these was the first sneaker I got. And my sneakerhead hyper beast mentality just clicked them all. And I hit on a few we'll get into in a couple of other videos. But this one right here, when it dropped 2 weeks ago, I didn't even try for. Y'all know I love SBs. Right? The thing is, I love the SBs with a collab. I love the SBs with a story. When sneakers and Nike come together and just put some colors together and call a sneaker whatever they want, that's more of a Jordan thing. You know what I mean? SBs usually have a history, a skate shop on the come up. These had none of that. But the colors is nice. Quality is great. It's a good shoe, man. And I don't even want to... Let's unbox these. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So they come in a purple box, just like the candy corn joints I showed y'all a couple of days ago with the bite mark. Still a crazy shoe. And when I saw that shoe, I thought that the SB Dunk Highs would come in a purple box, because every SB I got this year was a low, and you get that nice gray chrome white box. But it comes in a purple box. And it reads Nike Dunk Low Pro PRM Orange Noise Aqua Emerald Rise. So you see what I'm saying? Nike just came up with a name, some colors, and made a shoe. No hype around it because there's no story behind it. When you flip open the lid, of course, you get your SB tissue paper. It's in green. And we're going to start with the left shoe. Here's a 360 view of the Emerald Sunrise or Sunrise Emerald Nike SB Dunk. Off the bat, I screamed Miami. Miami Dolphins, this is for you. This match is Miami Dolphin. But I got orange lobsters. But I still like these guys. Let's not get it twisted. I still like these. So let's get a little closer. The whole sneaker is in like a nubuck suede soft Chanel patch. Is no other material besides the bottom, and the bottom has like pink spectacles all around it, pink splatter all around the sneaker, and usually pink splatter screams kid shoe or women's shoe, usually, most of the time. But let's start with the toe box. Soft, light, bluish green fusion. It's like a towel, like a beach towel material, if I could just compare it to something. But that's dope. Around it you get light orange. Good material, guys. Good material, man. Both swooshes is like powder blue on top of the like light blue or green. But the whole sneaker being this material is dope. I'm starting to not know why it sat besides the story thing. Come to the back, you get your Miami Dolphin look, orange on the blue, well, blue on the orange. Nike logo is stitched in there. One of my favorite logos, guys. Come to the inside, and it looks just like the outside. The sock liner, you do have that Zoom Air. It's an SB. The sock liner is a little hard mesh. They did get off that material a little bit, gave us some hard mesh there. Let's just go to the tongue. You do get the SB fat tongue, of course. That's what makes it an SB. That's the difference between a Dunk and the SB, the fat tongue, guys. Right there, you got your Nike SB logo, and it says Dunk Low Pro. I don't even know why I look to see what it says. It ain't like it's a skate shop, or it could say anything else, but maybe Sunrise. It comes in like a burnt dark orange shoelacing with blue tips to match the sneaker. To let you further know that it's no theme or no collab, the inside just says Zoom Air, letting you know about the Zoom Air technology in the SB with a regular Nike Air logo. The bottom, like I told y'all, is in like a nice beige or like bleached coral. The paint is only on the sides. On the top, the bottom is just clearly bottom. If you've seen one SB or one Nike Jordan 1, they all look like this, guys. That was the left shoe. Here's the right here, guys. And nothing's changed, but you do get some more shoelaces. So all the colors that's in the sneaker, you get. Well, not all the colors. You only get one shoelace, but that's the main color in the sneaker that pops out to me. Besides the orange it comes laced in. The inside did not change. Everything's the same from right to left, guys. I mean, y'all know that I'm 94% hype beast. But when something is dope, it's just dope. And this sneaker is dope. And I'm happy I got it in hand for retail to show more people the dopeness of the sneaker, man. I mean, again, no story, no collab. They could have collabed something with this. They could have done Miami Dolphin, Tyreek Hill. They could have put something to make this sneaker fly off shelves. But being that they just kept an OG, like, yo, we don't have no theme, I kind of make me like it more, man. Let me know in the comment section below how y'all feel about this. The Nike desktop does still have sizes while I'm taping. So you get a chance to go get it retail. But if not, you might could get it a little under retail on GOAT and StockX. I prefer GOAT because you only get hit with tax and shipping. StockX is a whole bunch of other stuff over there. Processing fee, and there's a lot there. But get them in hand or go to your local skate shop, or yeah, only your skate shop probably will have these. And look at them and fill them out, guys. I'm telling you, y'all might come away with a different feeling of these. And speaking of that, I might come up with a different feeling for the black and gray ones that came out last week too, without no story or hype that I didn't check out neither. But these are dope, especially for like summer, spring, maybe fall, but dope sneaker, man. Let me know how y'all feel about these in the comment section below. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching, everybody. Get rich. Cartier Jones on the soundtrack.